Happy New Year! Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. That's Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 597 videos all dedicated to urban farming. So here we are outside Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. It's a little chilly. I think it's about 30 degrees below freezing right now. But I'm living in the spirit and I'm living in the gift, because I know why most people took today off. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm was putting in that work. So we already got a jump start on 90%, probably 95% of the industry. And that's what it takes. That's the spirit of Grandmother Ophelia. And of course it runs with us. And you can't be the #1 urban farm in America taking any time off. It's got a lot of work to do still, but we got a lot of work done. Didn't get everything done on the list. Didn't get to everything, but we got down a little bit further. Fired up the bio furnace today, so had an opportunity. I'm gonna take these off because I was doing so much work. My glasses are dirty. You can't even see my eyes. Anyway, so did a couple of videos today. One in particular, I fired up Big Bertha, our 2,000 BTU furnace, which runs off biofuel, and it's looking good. It's looking good. Still didn't get a chance to burn everything out that was in there from last year. Had some old fuel still in there, some old pelletized grain, but we'll do that tomorrow. Of course, big egg sale tomorrow. Big egg sale tomorrow, and everybody's loving these eggs. Premium eggs selling out fast. They'll probably, I haven't looked today, delivered through DoorDash. They might be all gone tomorrow. We'll have to see. Think we still got some slots available, and I'm gonna take these home, and these are mine. Okay, so that's for my breakfast. That's for my breakfast in the morning, and those are laid today. You can't beat that. You got to have your protein. You got to have your eggs. And here we are outside Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives. That's our website, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. That's Grandmother Ophelia. And so 2026, what do you think? Are you ready? Are you going to be bigger and better and bolder than you were last year? Yes, I know you are. I know you are. I know you are. Let Farmer Mike go in. Like I said, I was going to go in on this master class, and I'm going to go in on this master class. I want to tell you a story. So one day there was this turtle, and the turtle was just doing what turtles do. And the turtle looked around, and the turtle saw a rabbit. And the turtle crawled over to the rabbit, and he said, "Hey man," he said, "I want to race you." And the rabbit just laughed in his face like this. "You'll never beat me." He said, "I'm the rabbit." And so he said, all my life, I want to go fast, and I'm going to try. And so they set the date, and they got ready to race, and the big day came, and everyone was out there. The turtle had his girlfriend, and the rabbit, of course, had his girlfriend. And they're about to show it out. They're about to show out. And so they no battery. So the gun went off, and they raced. And this race was for a couple of miles. And the turtle was going slow, and the rabbit was going fast. And the turtle was going slow, and the rabbit was going fast. And the turtle was going slow, and the rabbit was going fast. And then the rabbit said, "I have such a big lead, I think I'll take a little nap." Pause for Pablo the Farm Cat. Pablo the Farm Cat, it's a live video. Pablo was catnapped, but Farmer Mike tracked the thief and got Pablo back. Check out that video on the YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Anyway, back to our story, Pablo. So the rabbit said he had such a big lead that he was just going to take a little nap. But you know what happened? The turtle, moving very slow. Stop me if you've heard this one. The turtle moving very slow, kept going, a little bit, small pace, consistency. Do you see where Farmer Mike is going? Of course you do. Of course you do. And the rabbit woke up and the turtle was in front of him and the rabbit ran at the last minute. At the last minute, the rabbit man. But you know what happened? Of course you know this story. The rabbit lost. That's right. Farmer Mike, what's the moral of this master class? Well, you don't have to be fast like the rabbit. You don't have to have a lot of money. All you have to have is the will, the power, the desire, okay? And the consistency. What it takes when it's 16 degrees outside. What it takes when you have no money, but you have the will, you have the power, you can do it. This is your year. Farmer Mike says it so. I hope you enjoyed this free masterclass. Let me know if this inspires you in the comment section, putting in that work. How did you spend the first day of the new year? Were you watching Netflix, or were you putting in that work like me and Pablo? Pablo, go to bed. Stop running the streets. Were you putting in the work? Oh, wind out, because it's 26, and we are going to start 26 just like we ended 25, putting in that work, feeding the community, making it happen. This has been another impromptu live masterclass. I don't even know what day it is. Friday night. Most people are spending Friday night with a pizza and a TV. But don't be programmed. Don't be programmed. This is what you need to do. Are you prepared? Do you know how to thrive, survive, stay alive, stay out of the hive, become self-sufficient, grow your own food? If not, you need to be following me, checking out my channel, liking and subscribing, and sharing these videos. It's going to be important in 26. I guarantee it.